It was after 4 years, Tagma India is organizing Die and Mould India International Expo at Bombay Exhibition Centre. It was not easy for the Tagma to organize this exhibition, and there were so many challenges the pandemic have brought to the organizers. We are having with us today the person who played a major role in making this event happening, the Shanmugasundaram, the Vice President of Tagma India.
Once again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, trumpets! It's my honor and privilege to say that the exhibition is open, and it's a great time, great day, all the best.
I'd like to thank the organizing team who worked today, day and night throughout. My special thanks to Mr. Bhaskar Kanjan and the back office team for the wonderful arrangements he has done for this expo.
Please let us know the kind of challenges what you faced, and you have actually did a wonderful exhibition here. A lot of visitors. Yesterday there was high footfalls. So what you feel and how was the challenges you faced?
This is a teamwork. Tagma back office and Tagma EC member team has done a wonderful job. As a team, we are successful. The challenges what we faced is almost 2 years there were a lot of uncertainties, and this stall Bombay Exhibition Centre, getting the dates is quite difficult, and also in the background many meetings has happened to fix the dates, and many times it got cancelled because of the government regulations and second wave, third wave. So we were eagerly waiting for the government restrictions to be withdrawn, and as soon as we withdrawn, we blocked several dates, and one of these dates was this, and we could able to come out with a plan and handling exhibitors, because everyone were eager to participate, but at the same time they have got many reservations because lot of missions has to come from abroad, and as well as planning to be done. So we had many challenges inside as well as outside, which we have successfully able to manage, and we have come to this level. The opportunities, as you said, there is a logistic cost involved, and cost has increased, and this has enabled tool makers to get new enquiries, and also progress is much. For example, when we spoke to toy industries in a big boom because logistic cost has gone up, and they have huge requirement. Make in India, they are doing it in a very big way, so tooling industry is getting benefited through that, and we are also connecting the tool makers and as well as the toy industries. We have done B2B pavilions with them, and even this show many clients are meeting the toy manufacturers or meeting the tool makers. You can witness the B2B pavilions which has been done in this show. Almost 11 B2B pavilions has been created. 11 B2B companies has been registered, and we have matchmaking. We are doing many tool makers. We are making them to meet tier 2 suppliers, tier 1 suppliers. And also in future we are coming out with many ideas to connect with them. At DMA you can see 3D printing machine, Indian manufacturer has displayed. He told me that the overwhelming response. There are CAD/CAM softwares. Many new launches has happened. You can witness it. I could not able to go through. See, still import content of around 7,000 crores is happening. Around 35% of the market size. Market will grow in a very bigger way. Capacity addition to be done with all tool makers. We are arranging many meetings with the government as well as stakeholders of the finance institutions with tool makers to add capacity additions.
Congratulations to the entire Tagma team for making this event so memorable, so productive, and brings benefit to all the exhibitors as well as for the visitors. Thank you very much for being part of this, and we wish you all the very best.
As a media partner, we thank you all, each and everyone, especially Mission Maker, doing a good job. Wish you all the best.